Okay, working on this landing page again. Had awful problems with the last video. Microphone not working every few seconds. Seemed to screw up the whole video and the sync. Unless it's my computer, I'm getting very suspicious. Anyway, I decided to add an audio. You can see here, there is an audio. If I press play, it should play a track I've added from Space 1999. And stop. That's a track I liked, and I thought it'd be a bit fun to add it to a sort of a landing page. And you can do that quite easily now with HTML5. You could do just one line. Let's go back to the source code, and here it is. Now if you see that audio there and the closing tag there, so that's the HTML5 audio. So if you want to add it, you need that. Gives controls. You don't have to have controls. You could have autoplay. You could type in autoplay, but we'll try and see what it's like. Anyway, here, source, like an image. Look, background image. You are outside of any folder. It's on its own, and the title is 1999 end.mp3 because that's the type. That's the type of folder. I'll show you how you get. You put the source in. Let's go. We go to my file section. Open. Quite easy to download MP3s, and you could just put it into the root folder. So let's just wait for this. And there it is. There's my index page. That's the HTML page that I'm on. There's the images folder. Didn't really have to have that, but just what I always do. There it is, 1999, and that's the title from the end theme of the 1999 Space series, and that's the type folder. So, like an image, it'd be .png or JPEG or GIF. There's the MP3 file. So if I were to click away, so source and src for source equals in commas 99 and the name, and then the file type at the end .mp3, like you would an image. With an image you might put in JPEG or ping or whatever. Then afterwards you've got to put in type equals audio MPEG. And MP3 is an MPEG. And that's it. It's that one line. That's it. Now, you could replace controls with autoplay. Right, it's the first time I've tried this, so. And that should just start up. People might not like that. Let's have a look. Loading problem. It's just my computer button takes a while to load. Loading issue. I don't know if it's taking a while to load or it's just not working. Hasn't worked. No, no big deal. I wanted the controls in anyway. Maybe it wasn't recognised. Autoplay. Let's go back to controls. Controls. So that's supposed to give you the option. Didn't work. Didn't work. Maybe it didn't work in that browser. Controls did. Oh dear, taking a while again. Reluctant. Okay, so what's going on here? So there's my button from the last one, and I like it actually. So it's lovely. Not just added an audio key, the kind of CSS tricks on that. Not really necessary. Let's press play. There's just a delay in this because it's my computer. Previewing the browser, a few loading errors. So I'm now guessing autoplay worked. Oh, there we go. Right, and then it stops. You could probably put a loop on that and a few other things. But there you are, that's basically how you can put that in. So, we've put a rounded avatar in, text, a list, contact button, which, well, in this case is a follow button. That's the only network that I use. So that's how you make a simple landing page with HTML. Very simple one. I mean, you can put any background in. Let's have a look at the HTML code again. Very simple one pager. Just a few lines in that body. That's 4 or 5 lines. Nothing in a body section. Simple landing page. Lovely, really. Okay.